Well, I'm not really sure about that horse.
Do not know how to describe that particular shot. It's only in the book of Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
Straight down the ground. Never seen a shot like that before. That's real.
Look at the bottom hand. And look at how he finishes. And it's gone the distance. It's a big round here at the IPCL. And he's cleared it quite easily. Dhoni is the call. He's hit it in the air. Peter trying to get underneath it. And he's gone all the way.
Now just watch this backswing. Just there you go. That'll do. Sure what he did there, but it's very, very effective.